Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a LinkedIn profile photo that won't upload or isn't showing. So first, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Then go to your profile and select your profile photo to try uploading it again. Before uploading, make sure the image is in supported format and isn't excessively large. If the upload keeps failing, then check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, update the LinkedIn app through your phone's official app store. And if it still doesn't work, then close the app completely and reopen it before trying again. On a browser, you can also refresh the page or try another supported browser. If the photo uploads but doesn't appear immediately, then give LinkedIn some time to process and display the new image. You can also sign out and sign back in to refresh your profile. And if you're using the mobile app, then you need to make sure LinkedIn has permission to access your photos. If the problem still continues, then try uploading a different image to determine whether the issue is with the original photo. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.